What's up, guys? This is Ankit here from hiblogging.com, and in this video, we will see how you can how you can publish a page from Groove Pages on your own custom domain, right? So in Groove Pages, there are two options. The first one is you can publish on Groove's domain, and the second one is obviously you can publish on your own domain, right? So we'll see how you can publish on your own domain. Okay. So this is a page that I've taken as a template from Groove Pages, and go to publish, and there are two options you see, right? The first one, as I said, from Groove, and the second one is here on your own domain. So this is a domain that I have, aboutproperty.in. So it's only a demo domain, and I'll be using that one to publish this. So I've just inserted the name here, and you can see here this domain aboutproperty.in. So I'd hosted it before on Bluehost, but I've removed it to show it as a demo here. So it shows account suspended. I mean, it's not working basically. So what you have to do is basically to connect it, we'll have to use a tool, a website called Cloudflare. Okay, so you can see here Cloudflare, Cloudflare, and go to the site Cloudflare. And as I've already created an account, I will click on login. If not, you have to click on sign up and create a new account. And it's free to use. The purpose that we need, I mean, that can be done with the free account. Basically, we'll need it to get the SSL certificate. Okay, so I'll click on here, add a site, and put the name here, aboutproperty.in, add site. Okay, so just click on the free one and click continue. So it's saying we are scanning your site for DNS records to import automatically in your Cloudflare configuration. Okay, so the other thing that we'll have to do is, it will tell us review your DNS records, verify, add more DNS. Okay, so we'll have to add here a CNAME record. Okay, so just remember that we'll have to add a CNAME record here. How do you do that? Is add record and type should be CNAME. So you can see here, the CNAME, and here in the name you should use @ target should be, just remember this, the target should be host 10.groovepages.com. Okay, this should not, I mean, you should not do any spelling mistake here. So just remember this, host 10.groovepages.com, and this TTL should be auto, and then save. Okay, so what does it say? It says A or CNAME record already exists with the host. Okay, so yeah, we have already here many A records, so A and CNAME. So I'll have to delete all. So okay, I'll just delete and continue the video after that. Yes. So basically, what does it say is you have to delete all this A and CNAME records. So in order to we create a new CNAME records, we'll have to create the all that are already existing. Okay. So I'll just delete and continue the video. Okay. So I've deleted all the A records, and these last two CNAME records are pending, which I'm deleting now. This is the last one. Delete. Okay. So I've deleted all the A's and CNAME records which were already present on this site. Okay. And now I'll again click on save. So this should create a new CNAME record here with host 10.groovepages. Okay, great. CNAME, about property, and host 10.groove. It's already created, yeah, right? Then we click on continue. Okay, and then what it says is change your name servers. Okay, and to do that, we'll have to go to remove these name servers, right? As I already told you, the site was before on Bluehost, so the name servers are still on Bluehost, and now I'll have to go to Bluehost site and change the name servers to this, right? So I'll just go to Bluehost from here, and I will log in. So once that is done, we'll click on then check name servers, but still logging in the site. So my this Bluehost account is expired. Actually, I'm using GrooveFunnels for all the hostings. So says I have purchased this domain from Bluehost. So I'll go to domains, and this is the example that I'm showing is from Bluehost. So similarly can be applied to any other domain portal where you have purchased your domain from, right? So the basic thing that you have to look for is you have to look for name servers. So whether you have purchased from name.com or Namecheap or GoDaddy, whatever, but you have to find where are their name servers, right? Most probably they will be somewhere in the option of DNS, right? So I'll just show from here, and then similarly you have to do with any other. And so this was the website aboutproperty.in. Go to manage and go to DNS. So you have to find the DNS particular thing in the web from the domain, from the particular site from where you have purchased your domain. And you see here name servers, right? Go to edit, and now it's on Bluehost, and this was the name servers that was showing on GrooveFunnels, right? On sorry, here it was showing that this is the name server, and we have to change it to this. So I'll copy name server 1 and paste and make it custom first, and then paste here name server 1. Okay, and copy the name server 2 and paste it here on name server 2. Okay, and then press save. Okay, so the this part is done. Now coming back to Cloudflare, let's click done, check name servers, and then we will, it's already on automatic HTTPS rewrites. If it's off, then make sure you do it on. Okay, save, and then there's always use HTTPS, everything same, so it's already preset optimized. Just make sure you check it once. Auto minify, everything is checked. Save, broadly done, summary. Okay, so everything is on. I'll just click on finish, right? So the name servers and all these things are done. Great. So now what I'll do is I'll go to Groove Pages. So we have done all the setups here, right? We have changed the name servers, and we have created an account with aboutproperty.in on Cloudflare. And now I'll go to this Groove Pages, and click on publish again, and we will see if the site is published. It will not be published because it takes up to 24 hours. I mean, I have tried it multiple times, and every time it takes nearly 24 hours. But it depends. Sometimes I have seen it gets approved in a couple of hours only. So it depends how much time it will take. So now it says published, and I will go here, and it's still. I mean, it's not yet done. It's not yet done. It's not yet done, right? So okay, so I will continue this video once it is done, and I'll show you how it gets done, right? So once it gets done, I'll continue the video. Okay, so it's been I think more than 4 hours. Yeah, 4 to 5 hours. It's been more than 4 to 5 hours, and let me check that again. The site, the domain where we published. Okay, so this is published, as you can see here. It shows on the top event registration landing page. So the site is published now on the domain that I selected. Remember, right? This was the template that I took from Groove Pages. Okay, so this is published, right? But one thing that I missed, and I should have done that before was, so if someone types directly aboutproperty.in, this opens. But let's say if someone types www.property.in, it's not opening, Okay, it's not opening. It shows that this site can be reached, right? So what should I have been done, right, was to add one more CNAME record, and that should point that if someone types www, then again it should go on this particular page, right? So how do we do that? Is I go back again to my Cloudflare, okay, and I go to this domain, and I will go to DNS, because that's where we do all the settings, and I will add one more CNAME record. Okay, add record. Okay, so this is the record that we have already, and we'll add one more, add record, and we'll choose CNAME, and here we should select www. Target should be this, about property.in. Okay, and then save. Okay, so we have got one more, and it should take some time, certainly, but I will just try once again. Yeah, so obviously it will take some time. So yeah, this is it, and it will work. Definitely, it will work once after some time, maybe after 2 or 3 or 4 hours. Not sure how much time, but this should work. So we have already created a CNAME that www is also pointing here. So once this is done, you are done with everything, guys, and that's all. That's all for this tutorial. And if you need any more help, you can connect with me directly on my messenger. The link I've given in the description box. And see you in future videos. Yeah.